experts, historians addressing the issue on the first Mass in the Philippines, and both the National Historical Commission and the Association of Church Historians in the Philippines both are addressing this. Now, we hope that this will resolve before 2021, because, you know, officially, as far as our historical books, official, like, historiography, the first Mass is in Limasawa. But there are other places who are claiming that the first Mass was held in their locality. So the Historical Commission somehow opens the discussion among experts and historians. Now, when the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines planned for 2020, by the way, CBCP planned as early as 2013 for the celebration of 2021, and it was during the period of the presidency of Archbishop Hala, when there was that exhortation, live Christ, share Christ, where you have the 9-year plan. Now, the two historical events, ecclesiastical events, or religious events that were focused, right, the first Mass and the first baptism. Now, as far as first baptism is concerned, there's no problem, it's very clear. But the first Mass, there are other groups also trying to claim, and it's a free country. We have to discuss, and we have to discuss it openly, and it should be based on historical sources. But until now, it's still being addressed. Now, as to the celebration, it is really a wise judgment of the bishops to celebrate the first Mass, first Easter Sunday Mass, on an Easter Sunday. Regardless whether it happened in Pangasinan, Bonhon, in Masawa, Butuan, Surigao, the bishops decided that, we will celebrate it on the Easter Sunday of 2021. And even if the issue will not yet be resolved, but the celebration, the commemoration will still happen. As to the exact place, the dioceses can come up with a big national event. If the Diocese of Maasin will come up with a national event, then they can do it. If Butuan or Surigao, it's a free country. It's the local church that will celebrate it. So, that's it.
Thank you, Father Marvin.